you can see that I have a whole bunch of points, and they all start out with this IMC, and then there's different numbers. If I wanted to get rid of that IMC 500 on these 4 for the 500 ones, or I want to get rid of them on here, you can do each block at a time if you wanted. So you could either hit Control and then select all those 500s, or you can just hit the Shift key at the bottom of your last one that you want to select. Now you've selected all of them. Go to your gear, go to Advanced, Search and Replace. Now you've picked all those IDs, and you can search for IMC 500, and you can replace it with nothing. And what that would do is it would leave just the dew point, RH, temp, and wet bulb. In my case, I want to leave it because I have it all underneath one controller, and I want to be able to differentiate between which machine that it's looking at.